Scoring a bullseye in English. Unveiling the phrase. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's not only popular in English-speaking countries but also carries a lot of punch in its meaning. We're talking about scoring a bullseye. If you're eager to expand your English vocabulary and grasp the nuances of English phrases, you're in the right place. Let's unlock the secrets behind this intriguing phrase together. First off, let's talk about where scoring a bullseye actually comes from. A bullseye is the center of a target in archery, darts, and shooting. It's the most challenging point to hit, but hitting it scores the highest points. Therefore, scoring a bullseye literally means hitting the target's center, showcasing precision and skill. Now, on to the more intriguing part, its figurative meaning. When someone says they've scored a bullseye in everyday conversation, they're not usually talking about archery or darts. Instead, they mean they've achieved something with remarkable precision or reached a goal in the most effective way possible. It's about achieving success in the most impressive manner. To fully grasp the essence, let's look at some examples. In a business meeting, if a proposal immediately wins approval, one might say, "That proposal really scored a bullseye." When someone gives an accurate answer to a difficult question, it's like scoring a bullseye in knowledge or wit. Understanding the context in which this phrase is used can significantly enhance your comprehension and ability to use it confidently in conversations. A key tip for using this phrase effectively is to recognize the occasion. It's perfect for situations where precision, success, or achieving a goal with excellence is involved. However, it's more informal, so it's best used in casual conversations or when you want to add a bit of flair to your speech in more relaxed settings. And there you have it. Scoring a bullseye is all about achieving something with remarkable accuracy and success. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use this phrase with confidence in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is like hitting many bullseyes. It takes practice, precision, and perseverance. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to helping you hit many more linguistic bullseyes in the future.